vast celestial playground, once pristine and empty, is now cluttered with space junk, a cosmic mess that's getting messier by the day. But don't worry, because today we're diving headfirst into a thrilling adventure to uncover the incredible efforts to embark on an epic cosmic cleanup mission. So grab your helmets and get ready to blast off with us in today's episode of Cosmic Chronicles as we unravel the mysteries of space tidying. Look up at the night sky, and you'll see a celestial canvas adorned with stars, planets, and the moon, a breathtaking sight that has inspired dreamers for millennia. But here's the twist. Amid this cosmic beauty, there's a problem lurking in the shadows: space junk. So, how does NASA clean up this cosmic mess? You see, as we've ventured into space, we've left our mark: broken satellites, discarded rocket stages, and all sorts of debris. It's like trying to enjoy a picnic in a park filled with litter. Not exactly the pristine playground we imagined, right? But fear not, because our cosmic custodians are on the case. NASA, the space agency that's been launching rockets and rovers into the great unknown, has teamed up with TransAstra, a clever startup with an ingenious plan to tackle this cosmic clutter. In a quest to clean up the cosmos and combat the ever-growing problem of space debris, NASA has joined forces with TransAstra, a pioneering startup in space logistics. Let's explore this exciting partnership and its innovative solutions. With each passing space mission, the clutter in our celestial neighborhood continues to rise, posing a significant challenge for future endeavors beyond our planet. TransAstra's secret weapon? An inflatable capture bag, a bit like a cosmic trash bag, ready to spring to action once it's in orbit. It's a bit like sending a vacuum cleaner to space, but way cooler. Imagine this: a space tug called Worker Bee gently maneuvers this bag through the cluttered space lanes of low Earth orbit, collecting bits of space junk along the way. It's like a celestial cleanup crew working tirelessly to make space safer for all of us. This isn't TransAstra's first foray into inflatable capture bags. They previously secured a NASA early-stage contract in 2021, initially focusing on asteroid and space rock capture. But here's the twist. TransAstra soon realized that asteroids and space debris share similar challenges. Asteroids produce pebbles, while space debris generates tiny fragments resembling pebbles in space. Now, let's talk numbers. There are over 36,500 bits of trash in Earth's orbit larger than 4 inches, 10 centimeters, and a whopping 330 million tractable objects, each bigger than a tiny pebble. It's like trying to dodge a cosmic hailstorm up there. The stakes are high, folks. In 2023, a piece of space junk meant for removal collided with another, potentially creating even more debris. It's like a game of cosmic billiards gone wrong. Highlighting the urgency of the situation, in August 2023, one piece of space junk, initially targeted for removal, collided with another, potentially creating even more debris fragments. This incident underscores the escalating crisis of space debris. But NASA's not the only player in this cosmic cleanup. Let's shift our focus to a groundbreaking technology that promises to track space debris more effectively. There's another hero on the horizon: ODIN Space. These folks have a groundbreaking plan to track space debris with unprecedented precision. Picture this: a London-based company with a sensor so advanced it can detect the tiniest vibrations in space debris. It's like having a cosmic stethoscope to listen to the heartbeat of the universe. London-based ODIN Space has achieved a significant milestone with its novel space debris detection technology. Their innovative approach recently passed its first demonstration test. The company has been diligently developing and testing technology to locate and track space debris. The first demonstration sensor was aboard the D-Orbit Ion satellite, launched into orbit on June 12th as part of SpaceX's Transporter 8 mission. After more than a week in orbit, ODIN confirmed that its onboard sensor is operational and has detected subtle acoustic vibrations from its host satellite. With tens of thousands of tractable debris fragments orbiting Earth and the number expected to surge in coming years, ODIN's breakthrough technology couldn't come at a better time. And they've put their technology to the test on D-Orbit Ion satellite. And guess what? It's working like a charm, finding even the faintest cosmic whispers. With tens of thousands of debris fragments circling our planet, and more on the way, ODIN's high-tech wizardry couldn't have come at a better time. It's like giving space a much-needed checkup. And now, let's talk about Astroscale, the Japanese space company that's taking space cleanup to a whole new level. Their masterpiece? the end-of-life services by astroscale multiple spacecraft designed to capture and gently nudge retired satellites out of orbit. This innovative spacecraft is designed to capture and safely deorbit retired satellites, contributing to the reduction of space junk. Think of it as a cosmic tow truck, rescuing stranded satellites and sending them on a one-way trip back to Earth. It's like a hero of the space highways. In the ever-evolving journey to clean up the cosmos, collaboration, innovation, and determination will be the driving forces to ensure a cleaner and safer space environment for generations to come. So as we dive deeper into these incredible missions and cutting-edge technology, remember, the universe is vast and its mysteries are boundless. But with teamwork, innovation, and a dash of determination, we can create a cleaner, safer, and more exciting cosmos for generations to come. Stay tuned as we embark on this cosmic cleanup adventure, because space tidying has never been this thrilling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Science Times.